Guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are out here on the beautiful Shenandoah River. This is the main stem. I'm going to start out here with a little topwater action. The old Berkley Choppo 90 bone color. So let's see what happens here. There we go. Got one, guys. There we go. This little smallie. Awesome. Got first fish of the day. Another one on the Choppo. There we go, guys. Nice little smallie. Here we go. Got a good one, guys. Got a nice one. There we go. Got a nice one, guys. Nice fish, nice fish. There you go, guys. Nice little smallie. Thanks for biting. There we go. They wanted the topwater. Another little smallie. Back in the water. Got us one. There we go. Nice little one. Nice little fish, nice little smallie. Check that out, guys. A nice little, nice smallmouth. Awesome. Caught him on the old Ned rig. Good release on him. There he goes. Alright, guys, so I was doing the old topwater and that wasn't working anymore, so I threw this old Ned rig, old Yum Dinger. Happened to do the trick. Let's see what else we can catch. Another good one, guys. Nice one, nice one. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Check that out, guys. Check that out. That's a nice smallie. Alright, guys. All I'm doing is throwing this old Ned dinger from Yum. Just throwing it out here in this current, letting it float. And just giving it a couple twitches. It's also doing the trick. Let's get a release on them. Nice fish, guys. There we go. There's another one. Yeah, that's another one. Not as big, but oh, a little smallie. Check this out, guys. Like we got us a beaver. Not sure what's coming to us, guys. Not sure what this is. Beaver or groundhog. It's coming right to us. And it's a beaver. Look at him. A little beaver. It's gonna go right to the boat. Look at him. See how close we get to him. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna say hello. I think it's a groundhog. That's a groundhog. Hey, buddy. Got a picture of him here. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Come say hello? Alrighty, we'll let him be. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for this fishing trip today. It didn't start out too well. Caught a few little ones, but here towards the end we caught some decent smallies. We used the old Choppo and Ned rig. And they worked great as usual. Those are my favorite lures to use here on the river. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment below, and catch you on the next one. I'll have a great one. See ya.